hope you're having a good day. This is Brandon Campbell coming to you live with another video about 5 affiliate marketing strategies that don't require an audience. And if you're new to the channel, what I'm gonna ask you to do is follow through, and check out a couple of my videos as I brought good content to help you succeed in your online marketing journey, venture. And with that, we're gonna step right in. Number 1. Influencer marketing is a great way to advertise your product or your service or your affiliate marketing company or MLM, whichever you want to call it, because a lot of people have gotten famous off Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook by simply leveraging their audience to promote their affiliate product and make a pretty great commission. And number 2, social media. Social media is a great place for you to promote your affiliate marketing company or a MLM company or any company for that matter, to help drive more leads, to drive awareness about your product, your company, your service, whatever it is that you have to offer, because many people make a lot of buying decisions after checking things out on social media and Google. Number 3, create videos. Tons and tons of more, as more and more people have to work from home, a lot of people are starting to shoot more videos. YouTube is a great way to promote a product or service, but so is TikTok and a host of many others to help drive traffic and possible sales to your affiliate marketing company or your link. Number 4, email marketing. I know it's a lot of people out there that's been involved with a lot of business, or maybe had a lot of jobs, or maybe you just got a lot of friends that you may think might be interested in your product, and you're so busy that you don't have the time to really connect with them and sit down and tell them about your business opportunity or what it is that you have going on. So the best way to reach them is through email. Just the average person, I say, have about 100 to 500 people on their email list. So it would be a good idea to email your friends, tell them about your opportunities, tell them a little bit about your product or service, and you never know, you might get a sale from it. Number 5, you can also use affiliate promotion companies. There are a lot of companies out there that promote, and all their business is centered around is promoting affiliate links. And by doing so, they already have the audience. They already have the people that are interested in your product, and more than likely can generate you a sale or two. And hey, if you use these 3 steps or 5 steps, excuse me. If you use these 5 steps, you have to remember that you have to keep at it. Whether you do one of them one week and one the next, you have to keep at it in this affiliate marketing game. And if you're not a part of an affiliate marketing company and you're looking for an affiliate marketing company to join, you can click the link below this video, and it's a free opportunity. You can welcome to join, get connected with thought leaders, some movers and shakers of the online business world, and also, as a special gift, you get Zoom Executive Suite for $14. So with that being said, if you like the content, share, subscribe, comment, and have a nice day.